Top stories. CLP leaders Oibobi lashes out on NDA government at centre and BJP-led government in state over framework agreement. MPCC proposes implementation of 7 Pay Commission before submission of memorandum to 15th Finance Commission. And security beef up in state ahead of Prime Minister's visit to state. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA. And now let's have the news in details. Leader of Congress Legislative Party CLP Oibobi has said that the concern of the people regarding frame agreement is not only about territorial integrity but also the new system of administration. He was addressing a press conference held at Congress Bhawan at BT Road today. Questioning the BJP-led government, the CLP leader listed various issues and problems the state is going through at present. He further said the Naga insurgency issue is a protected problem of the center. A FUSPA has been reinforced in the whole of Nagaland, which indicate that a solution on the NHN-IM issue is far from getting over. On the other hand, the center has still not disclosed what's in the framework agreement, the CLP leader asserted.
Transparent framework agreement. Insurgency problem NHN-IM cadre singse kalendagi oibay adu Manipur particularly cadre mayam singse they are all our brothers and sisters. Moving as all decades all problems here. Akoi kram amatamna solve tawdagi haibse koi like from lane. Once for all must solve tawdi. Kariyo no framework agreement with transparency ni hayaga. Kariyo ta kangan dabse. Akoi solve tawo pamni matam puna problem ama solve tawna honaga. Another problem ama create karapa. Manipur ki sahi listen kaya na kusing werga apun Manipur ma. Ningka tambale pa ano wala ko say masida huji na to tamna masidi to tayar pa yawa pum yaw mugadi apoi di karim tamadu under any circumstance apoi yaw na moy problem sidi takoi sem no hono view transparent lai no hono view apoi ki side so no muteng pangse.
Congress Oibobi further said the BJP in its vision documents for the general election to the 11th Manipur State Assembly promised to give the pay recommendation by the 7th Central Pay Commission to the state government employees. MPCC has proposed that it should be given to the state government employees and pensioners before the memorandum to the 15th Finance Commission is submitted so that the liabilities on the pay revision is incorporated in the recommendations of the 15th Finance Commission in India.
Hujiki Poktu said, Siri Yen Siri suitable when I said, well and good, according to the Tobiro, I visit, according to Hizabria. Adu Asira, who is in the cow with red, has them to a young person where a Sadiam, you know, when a Kanjabri for Yari. Adu Matam to the day one, when Lokuki will be doing a point for Hizabria. Any central institution here, permanent campus staff, permanent buildings have the Sahi Kunda Kutra and Boy. Akoi rims come there, Akoi head NIT come there, NIT head central.
Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit here tomorrow, a team of 25 SPG has already reached Imphal some days before, and another team led by DSP has reached Imphal today for providing extra security to the Prime Minister. The team paid an inspection visit to places like Imphal International Airport, helipad in Kangla and the surroundings of the Hapta Kangzebung, where the Prime Minister is going to visit. Moreover, the SPG team will also accompany Narendra Modi on his road trip. Security has been beefed up ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to Manipur. The Prime Minister is expected to arrive at Imphal Airport around 11:45 tomorrow morning. Cordon and search operations were conducted at various places in Imphal today. Here's a report.
Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state tomorrow, security has been beefed up in Imphal city. Mass search operations were conducted at various places in the city. Many suspected persons were picked up by police. In Imphal East District, a team of Imphal East District Police Commando, Porompat Police Station, Reserve Line, and a team of women led by Deputy SP CDO conducted a 1-hour search drive at Haukip Veng and Mahabali Kabuikul under the jurisdiction of the Porompat Police Station early morning today. 133 persons were verified. However, no arrests were made. In Imphal West District, a team led by additional SP Krishna Tombi conducted cordon and search operations in the surrounding areas of Kabo Lekai and Dulalen under the jurisdiction of Imphal Police Station this morning. The operation was conducted from 6 to 8:10. More than 100 persons were verified while 5 were handed over to the police station for further verification. On the other hand, Bazaar unit of Imphal West District Police Commando conducted mass search drive at various places including Rani Bridge, in front of Hindu Hotel, Chakrikom, surrounding areas of Lai Ishing Chaibi and above the Naga Nala, Nagamopal Rims Road Crossing, Bora Gali, surrounding areas of Paugay Shangbam Lekai, etc. More than 400 persons were verified and another 86 without proper identity proof were handed over to the city police for further verification.
Some of the projects which are going to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his visit to the state tomorrow are still not complete. Many have expressed their dissatisfaction on the plan to launch new projects while the old ones are still lying incomplete. The Prime Minister is expected to arrive at the Imphal Airport around 11:45 tomorrow morning in a private aircraft, and later he is scheduled to visit Kangla in a helicopter. The main reception will be held at Hapta Kangjebung, in which the Prime Minister will inaugurate 8 projects taken up by the state government. He is also going to lay the foundation stone for another 4 projects during his visit tomorrow. However, the completion work of the integrated checkpost and Dolai Thavi Canal, which are going to be inaugurated tomorrow by the Prime Minister, are not done yet. And meanwhile, on behalf of the members of committee and after inspecting the developmental work of the project, spokesperson of Kundrakpam Constituency Development and Design has expressed that the Dolai Thavi project should not be inaugurated until and unless the construction work is finished. Some of the projects which are going to inaugurate tomorrow by the Prime Minister in Hapta Kangjebung are ICP Mori Dolai Thavi Various Project, FCI Godown in Sawombung, Buffer Water Reservoir in Sirui Village, Ecotourism Complex, Thangal Surung Cave, Integrated Tourist Destination in Tupul and Water Supply Scheme, and Jawahar Novodia in Lambui. The other projects for which the foundation stones are to be laid tomorrow are Danamanjuri University Infrastructure Development, flood lighting of Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium, and laying down of football astroturf on Langjing Achoba ground. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam Diagnosed Instruments Healthcare System. Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road, Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong, Rims Road near Syndicate Bank, Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, autoclaves, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari. Terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidamak contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 7085776993. Ekhoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Khudong chaba si manghan biganu Diagnomed Instruments Healthcare System.
Yapote lobu zakharba natro
Zakrima
aduidi cha injang du loisenaba tawrodana
Bishon du tot pelorabadi injang di thawraga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishon du goma chanduga lebirogera
hoi hoi ima lobirurake bungo besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdang gi posuere pojan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, mithi jira powder, amadi hairibo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang mamanadaba packaging system so araba. Manipur da hanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmadana tana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product mak sizinabiu.
Sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI product city yam phabane.
First All Manipur Men's Open Imoinu Lamsang Lamjel 2019 under the guidance of Athletic Association of Manipur, organized by Ira Thogaluf Itholuf, will be held on 18 January 2019 at SWC Hairangoitong, Imphal West. First, second, third prizes will be Rs 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 with trophy and certificates. Consolation prizes from 4 to 10 position will be 1,000 each with certificate and gift. Last date of form submission 10 January 2019. Form available. Three Brothers Cafe, Head Office, Itholop, Hairangoitong, Kaitel. Head Office, Athletic Association, Manipur, Polo Ground, Maning. Kumar Variety Store, opposite Singjamai Supermarket, KD & Sons Enterprises, Andro Parking. Dove, Kaisampat Junction. Anicure Veterinary Clinic, Khonang Anikarak. AR Mobile Soft, Lilong Bazar. And Pangambum Dukan, P. Chetun, Congo Bazar. The first 300 players who submitted registration form will be selected for the Lamjel.
Welcome back after a short break. 17th Foundation Day of Democratic Student Alliance Manipur Desam was held at Chandrakriti Auditorium, Palace Compound. As a part of the function, 6 teachers were awarded Chungnu Maicho Khongnang Thaba Thonga, giving his chief guest speech. Lakpok Lakpam Jayant Kumar said that the future of a state depends on the career of the students, so shaping the futures of students is similar to shaping a state. He added that students must not waste their time.
I am going to pop government school tamdi. Matamda. I chasing Tamakti. Well, like Tamaloga, Tamakti. But now there comes a question like no government key school mayamam shabale government Jasam mayamam later to no in Nachas the government school Tamandana, Kadobi private school Tamil. I say that is a big question. So question I'm like, Habayam help on his figures. Kanabayam help on him. But don't forget, Muay say, place in the blood, emotion and sentiments, every mother cares for her children. Other my macha says she's quite a babu ending you. A babu ending you go. I'm doing a madam with the lady, my arms in the key, cut away the pocket again, a hyperjida, cut away Taze, government school has a day. Private school has a I didn't madam with a private school, the Machaki name, October. But I do get the Shomlak and the government school, one you have to get it. Masai no why laser with McLean model school, shame would
Salam Akas, president of Desam, recounted the hardship faced by the group since its existence in 2002.
Education sector asida
Rohingya
akoina matam kaya gi mamang dagi satham thokpa trek dagi khara duk na thaire boi ningjaba phaujaba si yamni kuire mapungoina primary school dagi horoga high school phauba government gi leiba higher secondary sing government gi leiba college sing masi koina kupna critically field ta chalakanda yengchinjaba matamda primary school sing da boro high school sing da boro higher secondary school sing da boro college sing da boro ngasi dagina sahi kuntra manipu magi mamangda sa giba infrastructure madugi takpi tambi bagi mong masi ihong hong tabdongna koina khanjai.
A Rohingya prisoner who was arrested under foreign aid in Ambala jail, Haryana, was released following completion of his jail term. Later, a team of Haryana police handed him over to Immigration Office, Myanmar, at Myanmar Friendship Iron Bridge. Muhammad Salam, 32, son of Muhammad Rasid, is from Mangtula village of Mangandu district, Myanmar. SDPO Sandeep Das, Immigration Officer Mori, and other officials were also present. Another 7 Rohingyas, including 2 women who were detained in Tezpur jail, have also been handed over to the Immigration Office of Myanmar today. Memorial ceremony of renowned writer Khaidem Pramodini was organized by Laimarol Khorjai Laikol Imphal at Makoi Park, Iroisemba. At the event, half-yearly publication of Laikol was released along with poem recitation by many poets. Floral tribute was offered to the photo of the late writer, remembering the works of Khaidem Pramodini in the field of literature. Vice President of Laikol, Binapani Thokchom, said that Khaidem Pramodini was a courageous writer who worked hard to promote Manipur literature. She added that it is obligation of every writer to remember her. Sibakumar, Journal Director of Cryogenic Private Limited, Delhi, inaugurated CRISPR Healthcare at Singzamei Chingamaka Basketball Ground. The newly opened CRISPR Healthcare has the facility of portable oxygen cane. It offers heart treatment as well as provides immediate treatment requiring oxygen. Chairman of CRISPR Healthcare and Santa Jiren Meitei, Dr. Ritu Parna and Ngangbam Sophia were present at the inaugural function. And now let's have a short break.
Admission open, admission open. Little House Preschool, Singjamai Sograkpam Laikai. Admission open for 2019-2020 session. Facilities available. Day boarding, real-life activity-based teaching. Student-teacher ratio for pre-nursery 6:1. Nursery to class 1 24:1. For more information, please contact 8787773218.
Parents and Principal Meet 2019. Welcome to all for the Parents and Principal Meet 2019 organized by Quantum University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. In association with HR Group Career Info Solution, New Chekon on 5th January 2019 at Career Info Solution, New Chekon. For further information, please do contact Career Info Solution 700-5787-546.
Machalgi Sasenaba Products Singdagi Jackson Bio. Kanglai Park Spices Industry na puthokpa Machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Machalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglai Park Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin nataba atopa amata Machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi Jackson Biu hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsinbirau Machal Kanglai Park Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai near Lamfelam Park natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Welcome back. Manipur is in 3rd place in Northeast states for maximum number of licensed guns, according to a report by National Database of Armed License Information System released on 4 December 2018. Among the 8 states in Northeast India, Nagaland recorded 38,966, Arunachal Pradesh with 35,406 and Manipur recorded 29,274 license guns issued. With a record of 366, Tripura holds the position. Manipur was recorded the highest number of license gun-related incidents in India last year. In last 3 years, reportedly 7,750 guns were issued. The United Kuki Liberation has strongly condemned the incident that occurred at Hainokhong Lekai, Kuno Lekai and Turel Wangma Lekai of Mori, in which cadres of Kuki National Army allegedly destroyed the properties of the local residents of the area on the night of December 31st last. This was informed in a press release issued by the Joint Secretary of UKLF, D. James. On the other hand, the Hill Tribal Council HTC More has handed over some person involved in the December 31st incident to Meitei Council More MCM in the presence of police. The involved persons were produced as assured by the HTC More in a meeting held on the night of the incident. The centenary
underground so natte khoi de khang ngau sina bige sumaina tawpani adu leaders khoi miam khoi bo ngau pio ina ajre matunda adu ma thaba tawjarwe.
The centenary celebration of Manipur Theatre was held at Sahitya Sabha Complex near Imoinu Food Hut in Silchar on December 31st last. The celebration was held under the aegis of Manipur Theatre Centre, Assam. As part of the event, not only a monodrama competition was held, but a drama titled Sumnachara Balaibak was presented as well. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Morning Bell. Main target of government is to eradicate poverty. CM. Councillor distributes blankets to needy people. CM inspects preparation for Modi visit. Prices of diesel, petrol to fall further. The People's Chronicle. CM vows insurance, CM HT shield to newspaper. BJP gears up for Modi's third election rally. MHRD slashes teachers' salaries. Imphal Free Press. Newspaper hawkers are not only earning daily bread but also providing public service. Biren. PMAYG falls in Uyumpok GP. Beneficiaries denied funds for not tipping officials. JSC urges PM to give amicable solution for ending marathon cease work strike. Beacon. Mother of abandoned girl child claims for daughter.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. CLP leader Oibo will lashes out on India government at centre and BJP-led government in state over framework agreement. MPCC proposes implementation of 7P Commission before submission of memorandum to 15th Finance Commission. And security beef up in state ahead of Prime Minister visit to state. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.